Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy gold on CMC Markets. So what you'll need to do is basically go right here on this plus icon, as you can see. So click on that one and then click on the products and add commodities. After that, open the search bar and type gold. Make sure to select the first one or the other ones if you want to, but for this tutorial I will select the first one. So click on that one and you'll get this type of chart, and basically what you can do is what you'll need to do is right click it on the gold and cash, click on order ticket, and right here you'll see a ticket. So basically you'll have sell button and buy button. And let's say we'll put the units. I want 2 units. This is the amount, and this is the stop loss if you want to take it, or this is take a profit. And basically you'll see all the estimated margins, potential costs, and etc. And if you're set up everything correctly, and if you want to buy that, you just click on place a market buy order with costs, and that's how you will be able to buy a gold. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.